First, take a square-shaped glazed paper. Fold this paper diagonally to make 2 triangles. Now, keep the apex of the folded triangle pointing upwards and unfold the top side downwards till its tip touches the base of the triangle. You will see a diagonal white square on the top and 2 colored triangles down below adjoining the 2 sides of the white square. Now, fold the left side triangle in such a way that it touches the center line of the white square. Next, fold the right side triangle in the same way. You will now see a diagonal rectangle with a median fold. Then, open one left side fold downward to create a half fold crease. Similarly, do for the right side fold. Now, fold these halves inwards along the new creases to create a pocket. Next, flip the whole paper upside down. Now, cut a black glazed paper in a square shape so that it slides smoothly and perfectly in the pocket of the origami monster. Then, cut a white triangular paper to make a serrated design. Next, slide this in the pocket and apply adhesive to paste it inside the pocket. Also apply some adhesive for the googly eyes and paste the googly eyes on the origami monster to complete it. This is your complete origami monster.